Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, are you experiencing frustrating quick login issues when trying to jump into Roblox on your PS5? It's a surprisingly common problem for many players, especially with the newer game versions expected in 2025. Sometimes, it just leaves you stuck, wondering what to do. But don't worry, because today, we're going to explore some straightforward solutions to get you back into your game smoothly and quickly, without the fuss. So why does this quick login problem even happen? Well, it often comes down to a few common culprits. Sometimes, it's simply old cached data that needs clearing or a tiny glitch in the system. Other times, there might be a small conflict between your PlayStation Network account and your Roblox profile. We also see issues related to unstable internet connections or even just needing to make sure your Roblox game files are completely up to date. Understanding these common causes helps us find the right fix. Let's start with the simplest solutions, things you can try right away. The very first step is to completely close out of the Roblox application itself on your PS5, then simply restart it. If that doesn't work, try a full restart of your PlayStation 5 console. This often clears minor system glitches. Also, take a moment to double-check your internet connection, perhaps even restarting your Wi-Fi router. These basic steps can surprisingly resolve many quick login issues. If the basic steps didn't quite do the trick, let's move on to some slightly more advanced solutions. A great next step is to clear your PS5 system cache, specifically for Roblox data. This removes any corrupted temporary files. Another powerful fix involves unlinking your Roblox account from your PlayStation Network account, then carefully relinking it. And of course, always make sure your Roblox game itself is updated to the very latest version, as new patches often fix these kinds of glitches. To wrap things up, here are a few final tips for preventing these quick login issues from happening again. Always make it a habit to regularly check for Roblox game updates and ensure your PS5 system software is also up to date. A stable and strong internet connection is truly crucial for seamless gaming and logins. If you've tried all these steps and are still experiencing trouble, don't hesitate to reach out directly to Roblox support. They can provide personalized assistance for your specific account. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.